do some fillets. So simple. Click the fillet icon, select the edge. Oops, not the face. Unselect the face. Select the edge. Set the radius. I don't want. I want it in inches, so I'm going to click here. Well, actually, I'll change it. I'll leave it. Change it to inches. IPS. Cool. Now we can select multiple edges, like so, and adjust them. Cool. Or we can just roll this back to here, select them all. Let's see what happens if I click the surface. That's not what I want to do, but get the picture. All right, now let's looky at how to create fillets in Creo. This is Creo 2.0, which is several years ago. I don't know what the current Creo is, but Creo, Wildfire, PTC, ProE. Here's how you do it. Same kind of thing. Click, well, you see it says chamfer. We got to click that and just getting round, pick round, not fillet. We'll just pick one. This way, you have to hold the control. In SolidWorks, you can just click them and it'll select. If I don't hold control, like I'll show you here, it will make them all different, not of the same set. So I'll show you. Let's hit this. Okay, now they look the same, but I'm going to go back in here, right click, edit definition, and look, there'll be 4 different sets. So I could have a bunch of different radiuses, like 10, 2 would be like, say, 50, and you get the idea. So let's just click out of here or enter, and then I'll show you. So that's because I did not hold the control button. I'm going to click delete, and so that's a difference. SolidWorks to ProE. Click one. I'm going to hold control now while I select the corners. And now it's one set, you'll see. So we could change it to whatever, 20. So that's kind of different between ProE and SolidWorks. There you go.